Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hello guys, today I will do the unboxing for Geepas car charger. As you can see, Geepas car charger. It's have a 2.1 ampere maximum output. The model number GCC4708. Car charger. Okay. It's a double USB. Its input DC 12 volt or 24 volt. Output 5 ampere, 5 volt, 1.5 ampere, or in the B port it's a 2.1 maximum. It's have a metallic appearance with hammer. The other specification you can read. Okay, let's open this box. Okay, here is our charger. Our quality you can feel in your hand. It's a heavy and a metallic, looking good. Excellent appearance. The first port is 2.1 ampere and the second one is 1 ampere. It's mentioned that it's made in China. The input outputs also mentioned. This Geepas logo, and this is they called hammer.